Today we're going to dress up the underhood of Cheese Whiz, our 2018 Mustang GT, with some Trufiber Carbon Fiber. This Trufiber Carbon Fiber engine cover will be a direct replacement for the factory cover on all 2018 through 2020 Mustang GTs. It's made of a 3K 2x2 twill weave carbon fiber, and then it has a UV protectant high gloss clear coat put over it. And this comes ready to install and will install with your factory hardware. To begin the installation, pop off these covers to access the bolts. Remove the nuts. You don't have a magnet to get these out of here. Put a little bit of grease in the end of the socket. Usually the nut will stick to it. Okay, now we just lift up on the cover. I was holding on to some clips. Okay, now we'll put our new cover into place. And you reinstall the nuts. Reinstall the covers. If you're extremely careful, you can try to remove the factory 5.0 badge. It is extremely thin aluminum, so it will bend. But there are two alignment tabs. Line out the tabs, and then press it down. Use a little bit of new tape if you need it. And your installation's finished. The Trufiber Carbon Fiber engine cover gives our Mustang GT almost an exotic look under the hood. Adding some more carbon fiber would make it look even better. As far as installation goes, very straightforward. Give yourself about 20 minutes or so and you'll be back on the road in no time.